Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today, I made some pianono, two logs of pianono, and one is left as a log, and another I cut it into um, parts. So, I will bake it for you. So, you watch as I prepare for it. So, this is our custard filling. No, the pianono is jelly roll, pero I think ang unod sa pianono is custard. No, so we will make our custard. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs. No, and then I have 1 can of evap milk. Ha, musik pa. No, so we have to scrape. Kaya ba, kamahal-mahal bala sini nga gatas. Okay, scrape, scrape, scrape. And then we have this one. This is condensed milk nga mahal-mahal man. Ay, nako. Because of the mahal, pahuto mangyapon kita. Okay. And then, I also have very mahal butter. Tanan na lang mahal! Okay. This is, I just have to break the egg yolks, anay ha. This is purely egg yolks. So that we will come out with something very thick. Okay, I will add some butter. Maybe this is 1/4 cup of butter. And then, ma-add man ako sang vanilla nga mahal man. Ay, naku. Okay. Okay. Tutay lang. And then, I have here a little bit of cornstarch. Tutay-tutay lang. Ay, hindi ni cornstarch. Sugar ni. Karon lang. Magicon ko lang. Dahil lang. 1/4 cup cornstarch. Okay. Now, I did not yet open the fire. No, because I have to dissolve this. Okay, dumadugay ni siya gawa. Dali lang gida. Okay, our custard is already cooked. So, we will put plastic film and then we will set this aside. Now, until we are ready to put this in our pianono. Okay. Dali lang. Okay. So we are now ready to prepare our cake part. And we have here 2 cups of cake flour. I will make a well in the middle. And then I will add egg yolks. Yolks lang ha. Okay, because the egg whites will be needed later. Okay. Dason, I will need oil. 1/2 cup oil. 1/2 cup sugar. 3/4 cup water. H2O. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon vanilla. Okay. We will mix. I'll use this wooden spoon. Pero, I would use a mixing bowl. Masagay ko ka pa nga budlay kung may-ari kita nga mixer. Salamat sa mixer. Ready? Basi gahod ni siya ha. So, bear. Okay. Okay, dali lang ha. So this time, we will prepare the meringue of the cake. Because we are making chiffon cake. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so we will add all the 8 eggs here. 8 wonderful egg whites. And then we will beat this. We will be using 1 3/4 cup of sugar. Perfect. Okay, so we will add this now to our cake mixture. So we will just cut and fold. Get some cut and fold. Okay. O, dali. Lagi na kay remove ka na ini. Ay, so heavy. Mm. Cut and fold. Cut and fold. And fold and fold and cut. Next, we will add this in our egg white. Half lang na. I'm sure you know how this is made. Sige lang. Okay. You will just scrape everything. Okay, sige na. Tapos na. Here, 2 baking pans for jelly rolls. And then, I will divide this into 2. Pero, I will show it to you when it is divided already. Dali lang. I have just taken out the cake from the oven. Now I have to brush it with butter. Our butter is scarce, very few remaining butter in the can. I have to brush it with butter so that we will have a tasty and delicious pianono. So I just have to spread lightly, thinly over the cake so that it will be distributed evenly. Now I am ready to put some white sugar, refined sugar, over the cake. My sugar shaker does not function very well. But thank you to the giver. I got it from our Christmas party last December. So I still have to study how it works. Then I'm now distributing the sugar on the surface of the cake. It looks like there's plenty of sugar. Ay, so sweet. Now I will roll the cake now. So I have difficulty making the cake turn upside down, but there. I have to remove the parchment paper, and then I'm ready to spread the custard that we made earlier. I will divide it into two because I made two pianono logs. So I spread half of the custard over the cake. I have to spread it evenly so that all slices will have enough of the custard. That is pianono. I do not know why it's called also jelly roll, but it's the filling is not jelly. It is custard. Now I will roll it. Roll nicely and firmly. I have to roll it tightly so that all the filling will be distributed evenly. So, look there. Thank you for the parchment paper. Oh no, I think it is the glassine paper that I used to roll. I will transfer it into our serving platter. There is the serving platter. So, I am so careful not to break the cake. The cake is so soft. So, I have transferred it carefully. And the cake has been tightly rolled. Okay, it looks successful. Wait. So I am adding some powdered milk over the cake, the jelly roll, or the pianono. This will ensure that it will stay dry over some period of time. Pero do hindi man siguro mag-thinner. And then I have here the other one. I cut it and garnish it with cherries. Okay? Ngamit siya bala. So I want you to try this one. Bake man kamo ah. Kaso makidita ay kita and we will eat our own cooking. Okay, so thank you for watching. Kaunta everyone.